Hi friend, welcome to the daily quiz. In this video, test your observation skill. Can you find the odd number and letter within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Dog lover. Anybody can find the odd dog within 15 seconds. Super, that's one the odd dog. Hey viewer, are you quiz master? Can you find the odd number 75 among 57? Hey, where my quiz lover? You found it? Come on, time is over. It's the odd number 75. Emoji lover. Only the smart people can find the odd emoji within 15 seconds. Come on, time is over. Amazing, that's one the odd emoji. Hello guys, challenge yourself. Can you find the odd letter JR between RJ? Super, that's the odd letter. Hello my senior audience, test your eagle eyes. Can you find the odd number 83 between these numbers? Super, that's the number. Hello viewer, in this puzzle, test your eye plus brain. Can you find the odd cute girls emoji? Amazing, you are real emoji lover. You found it. Hello my genius audience, spot the odd number 24 among 42 within 15 seconds. Amazing my audience, you have a sharp eyes. Hello viewer, only the smart eyes can find the odd devil emoji within given time. Amazing, you capture the odd emoji. Hello my adults viewer, check your brain. Can you find the odd V0 within given time? Super my adults viewer, you catch it. Hey viewer, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd cat within given time? This quiz is specially for those who love with cats. Come on viewer, time is over. Viewer, you are a real cat lover. You found it. Test your eyes. Can you find the odd letter WN among NW? Amazing, your IQ level is perfect. Anybody can find the odd number with letter like 8B. Good job. That's the combination of number and letter. Next, medium level start. First question of the medium level. Hey viewer, which one is the unique emoji? Super, this one is the odd emoji. Hello viewer, find the odd letter K among keep. Time is up. Good job, that's the right answer. This was impossible to find the letter FCC. I know this was impossible, but you found it. Hey viewer, check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd honey chicken within 15 seconds? Viewer, yummy yummy. That's the odd honey chicken. Hey viewer, find the odd number 781 within given time. Hello viewer, in this quiz we check your brain. Can you find the odd dice within 15 seconds? Good job! Viewer, your brain is 100% perfect. Can you spot the odd yeti within given time? Brilliant viewer, that's one the odd emoji. Only the smart guys can find the odd number 881 within given time. Good job, that's the 100th number. Hey viewer, now start the learning of ABC series. Come on viewer. Medium level done, hard level start. Hello my audience, first puzzle of the hard level. We test your eyes. Can you find the odd letter G, E, F, G within given time? Amazing viewer, you passed the first puzzle of the hard level. Hey viewer, this quiz is specially for birds lover. We check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd duck within 15 seconds? Amazing viewer, you are real birds lover. Are you focus master? Can you find the odd number 5679 within given time? Amazing viewer, you have a quiz king. Hello my genius viewer, one number is different. Can you find the odd number within given time? Amazing viewer, that's the different number. Test yourself. Can you find the odd letter within 15 seconds? Amazing, your self-attitude is perfect. Hey viewer, challenge your observation skills. Can you find the odd letter within given time? Your observation skill is good. Check your brain. Can you find the odd letter between these letters? Vivo, your brain performance is awesome. Hello girls, can you see it? The odd footstep within given time. Amazing girls, your brain is good. The last question is especially for boys. We test your brain. Can you find the odd letter within time? Amazing boys, you win this challenge in the given time. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.